Diesel-powered concrete pump, efficient construction, fearless of challenges. Powered by a robust diesel engine, it operates seamlessly in remote areas without electricity. No limits, ultra-long delivery distance, tackle high-rise buildings, tunnels, and complex projects effortlessly. Designed for harsh conditions, reinforced chassis, anti-clogging system, and adaptable pipelines ensure uninterrupted performance. User-friendly control system and modular design minimize downtime. Efficiency starts with simplicity. Ready to boost your construction efficiency? Contact us now for a customized quote and join thousands of satisfied clients worldwide.